If you've ever found yourself second guessing others' intentions or building walls around your heart, I want you to know you're not alone. There are reasons our minds and hearts become so cautious, and understanding them is the first step to healing. Trust is built from experience. Trust isn't something that just happens. It's built slowly, like laying one brick on top of another. If you grew up in an environment where people let you down, didn't protect you, or even betrayed you, it makes sense that trusting now feels unsafe. Your brain learns from the past. It says, if I open up, I might get hurt. So if you feel guarded, it isn't because you're broken. It's because you've been protecting yourself. And protection is something your mind and body learned for survival. Trusting someone requires vulnerability. It's like handing someone the softest, most tender part of yourself and hoping they'll take care of it. That's actually scary because once we're vulnerable, we could be rejected, abandoned, or misunderstood. If you've been hurt before, your nervous system remembers. Even if you want to trust, your body might tighten up, whispering, be careful. That's not weakness. It's just your inner self trying to keep you safe. Maybe someone you trusted broke a promise, or maybe they betrayed your confidence, leaving you with wounds you didn't deserve. Each betrayal feels like another crack in the foundation of trust. And over time, those cracks make the structure feel unstable. It's no wonder your heart hesitates. It remembers that pain. But here's the thing, those betrayals say more about them than about your worthiness to be loved or trusted. Here's something many people don't realize. Trusting others often starts with trusting yourself. When you doubt your own feelings or instincts, it becomes harder to let others in. But when you slowly begin to believe, I can handle it if someone disappoints me, then trust becomes less terrifying. Because no matter what happens, you know you'll be there for you. So, how do we begin to rebuild trust? Start small. Notice the people who show up consistently in little ways. Pay attention to actions, not just words. And remind yourself you're allowed to set boundaries while giving people a chance. Healing doesn't mean flinging the doors wide open. It means opening them little by little at your own pace. And remember, trust doesn't have to mean ignoring your instincts. You can trust while still protecting yourself. If trusting feels hard, it's not because you're weak, it's because your heart is wise enough to remember the pain. But you are also capable of healing, of finding safe connections, and of discovering people who deserve your trust. So if this video gave you even a little comfort, please hold this truth close. You are worthy of care, of safety, and of trust. And when you're ready, step by step, you'll find the people who honor that. So till next time, stay gentle with yourself.